Okay, today we're going to find out how to fix these New Jersey Transit GP40s that are on Trainz commuter rail. They're always faulty on Trainz 2012. I finally managed to figure out how to fix them. Turns out the answer was steering me in the face the whole time. Let's see what the errors are. This asset uses an obsolete Trainz build number. That can be fixed just by editing it in Trainz Content Creator Plus. And this one, the tag reskin is not permitted within the container of train car. That's easy to fix as well. Required container thumbnail is missing. That's not a requirement. Unable to load primary texture GP40 art GP40 art 512.tga for texture file GP40 art GP40 art 512 texture.txt. .txt, whatever. Unable to load alpha texture. The primary and alpha textures are not the same size for GP40 art GP40 art 512.texture. Binary conversion failed for texture resource GP40 art GP40 art 512.texture.text. I'm not sure what these two are, but they don't make it faulty, so it's not a problem. Okay, so to fix the first few errors, Control-Shift-C to edit it in Content Creator Plus. Click OK. That fixes the obsolete Trainz build error. And now, just delete everything that's red, because that's just... they're just not necessary, and they make it faulty. So, engine spec... You don't have to edit anything else here. I'm just doing it by choice. Okay, I'm changing the horn now. And the cab, because I don't like the generic SD cab. It's not very detailed at all. So... Okay, was there anything else I had to fix? Well, the mesh isn't faulty, thankfully, because that's a lot more of a, what in the world? Why is it flashing like that? Oops. Oh. That's interesting. That's the fan mesh. Okay, and that's the shadow. Okay, that's it. Now just Control S to save everything. Now just click the X and then press Control M to commit the changes. Sometimes you have to do it more than once in this game for some reason. It's really annoying. What happened? It deselected it for some reason. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this multiple times, so I'll just pause it until I finish. Well, 4 tries later, finally decided to stop being stubborn and commit the changes. So, now there are still a few more errors left to fix. Unable to load primary texture GP40 art, GP40 art 512.tga. So, Control-Shift-E, and then go to the art file. This is the texture they're talking about, GP40 art 512. Now, to be able to open it, you need any kind of thing that can read TGA files. I had to download one online because the computer didn't come with one for some reason. Anyway, this is the file that they're talking about. Not really sure what it is. It looks like just a random picture of the locomotive. Anyway, for some reason, this file won't load properly. To fix that, what you have to do is take your cell phone and then just simply take a picture of this picture and then load it onto the computer and resize it and do all that stuff. So this is the picture that I took. It didn't come out perfect, but that doesn't matter, as it doesn't even do anything. It just I don't even really know why the game needs it. So just copy this picture and paste it here. Now right click, open with paint. Now it's way too big. First thing to do is resize it. Resize first 1024 by 1024. Okay, now click select and then just highlight this area. And then click crop. Now resize it again. And make it 512 by 512. And then Control S. Okay. I'm going to copy that so that I don't have to do this again. Okay, now control. Oh wait, I forgot something. I forgot to do something. Okay, now I have to tell this texture.txt document to use this file instead of this one. This has the same name, it's just a JPG file instead of a TGA. So where it says TGA, just backspace that and put JPG. I don't know why, but JPG files always seem to have less errors than TGA files in this game. Not sure why they don't just use JPG files instead. Okay, Control S to save that. And now Control M. And it's not faulty anymore. Now let's test it to see if it's working. Well, it seems to be working. Oh, you can't go out the window on this one. Whatever.